Are Openclaw and Claude Cowork legit, or are they just clever scams hiding behind fancy AI buzzwords? Let's get straight to the facts, starting with what sets these two apart. Claude Cowork is the official productivity sidekick from Anthropic, the creators behind Claude AI. It's built right into the Claude desktop app, but for now, it's only on Mac OS. Sorry, Windows folks, your turn's coming. It's a research preview, which means it's still in beta, but it's well polished, secure, and asks before poking around your files. The catch? It's pricey. Think $100 to $200 a month if you want the max plan. But it's definitely not a scam. Now, Openclaw is the Wild West of AI agents. It's open source, totally free to install, and runs on just about anything: Mac, Windows, Linux, even a Raspberry Pi. It's got over 30,000 GitHub stars and a passionate community. Sounds awesome, right? Here's the catch. Openclaw is insecure by default. It needs full system access and skips most safety rails. Microsoft and Cisco? They called it a security nightmare. Over 30,000 Openclaw servers got left wide open on the internet, leaking private data and API keys. And if you're tempted to install those cool community skills, Snyk found nearly 7% of them leak your credentials. Yikes. Both tools face prompt injection risks. Basically, a sneaky email or file could trick the AI into doing something you really don't want. So, my recommendation? If you're not super technical, stick with Claude Cowork for a safer managed experience, even if it costs more. Only touch Openclaw if you know exactly how to lock it down in a safe, isolated environment, like a cloud VM.